So, I found this today at a strand of freshwater pearls at Goodwill. Not Goodwill, but at Savers, I should say. They are marked 10 karat gold, the clasp is. That's what the mark on them looks like. I don't think they're cultured pearls, because they are not perfectly circled. So, I got them for like $33 since I used my 20% off that I had, because today is not Thursday, it is Monday the 8th of August. So when you see this, it's actually in September. I know. So, they didn't really have anything else good of jewelry in there, I want to say, but, with Savers, it is sometimes a hit and miss, and yeah, so I was in a little bit of a hurry in there, because it's like I was also trying to waste some time, so I'm not way too early on the stiff pick, And another thing was, I just told myself I can't spend all my money, that's how that was, And like you seen in the last video, I wound up at Goodwill before I got to Savers and got this freshwater pearl necklace, the brand new Vera Bradley bag. I'm not saying I'm gonna list it on eBay because I don't know if there's gonna be really a profit in that bag, so to speak. And and I would say one of these days my 9 West bag that I am using, I got from Yonkers before they closed for good, that is gonna get shot one of these days, and I'm probably gonna have to use one of my other bags as my main bag. So, all things I have to consider. But, with Savers, I also had a $10 off coupon, but I forgot to use that. So, yeah. And when I got to buy this ring, I said I would buy it. There was a woman right next to me, and she said, "Oh, could I touch that necklace before you?" Oh, and she was all saying how pretty it is. I never had anybody wanting to touch a piece of jewelry that I was gonna buy. Okay, so if you are not already, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is absolutely free to do so. And don't forget to like, comment, and share channel, as it would help get my channel out there to people that don't know about it yet. And as always, thank you for watching. Bye-bye now.